Want to make your WordPress site easier to read or give it a fresh new look? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the font size in WordPress step by step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, click Appearance and then head over to the editor. This is where you control your site's design. Inside the editor, select Styles and then click on Typography. Here you will see different text options like font family, weight and size. To adjust font size quickly, use the font size presets. Just pick the size you like and WordPress will apply it across your site instantly. Once you're done, preview your site to make sure it looks perfect. Consistent typography not only improves readability but also makes your website look professional. That's it. A simple way to change your WordPress font size in minutes. If this helped, hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more WordPress guides.